Okay. So now I'm sharing the screen. Yesterday we stuck at system variable, correct? Now today we are going to see that issue. Right. This is IG block. I'll disable this one because we are not sending from this. మనం IG block నుంచి పంపట్లేదు. Okay, capl browser. Right. I'll comment this one. Then we'll write from scratch starting. Guys, listen carefully. First you need to declare the message. This is the way to declare the message. See, if you want to transmit the data, message name and variable of that message. That is the way. అదొక దారి అలా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయాలి, అలా రాయాలి. ఓకే, నౌ సి on system variable update. Okay, or on system variable, anything is fine. What is the meaning of this one? It means while system variable is update, which system variable? Whatever the system variable we are giving. So while the system variable is updating, when it will update, ఎప్పుడు update అవుతుంది? Once you operate this one, system variable will update with that value. For example, if you on system variable has 1, it means what? Updated. If you have 0, updated. This is the meaning, guys. System variable update. Otherwise you can write this also simple. Even on system variable. Okay, this is also the same. Go right click, anything is fine. System variable update or system variable. Okay, right. Now we want to send the data. Which data? For example, switch tested. If you on in the switch you have 1, if you off 0, whatever the operations you are doing, whether it is a 1 or 0, in a voice వినిపిస్తుంది కదా? Getting my voice?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Okay, see, whatever, see, now we have on the switch. మనం ఏం చేసాం? స్విచ్ ఆన్ చేసాం. సేమ్ డేటా విల్ బి అప్డేటెడ్ ఇన్ ది సిస్టమ్ వేరియబుల్ బికాస్ అసైన్డ్, రైట్? మనం అసైన్ చేసాం కదా. సో ఇఫ్ యూ ఆన్ 1 విల్ బి దేర్ ఇన్ ద సిస్టమ్ వేరియబుల్. ఇఫ్ యూ ఆఫ్ 0 విల్ బి దేర్, గైస్. ఓకే, సో ఆన్ సిస్టమ్ వేరియబుల్, then whatever the data is there in the system variable, whether it is 1 or 0, we are assigning, we are putting into the signal. Where it is signal? B1. B1 means what? B1 means what? BCM message. So BCM message has signal. Which signal? Check seat belt signal. If it is not there, it will not show. అది లేకపోతే చూపించదు. ఓకేనా? Now we want to assign this data. Copy. So this is one way, guys. Next, output B1. Now we will see. Operate and we'll see. Okay. Guys, see. In the trace window, nothing is transmitting because IG block we disabled. Okay, if we give, that will go. If we off, it will not go. Okay, I'll clear this one. Then see here. Now BCM message, BCM1 message. Okay, What is the message ID? 1. Set but signal is 1. Now 0. Check. So this is what you need to do mainly. Got it, guys? So we will create the system variable. We will assign to the panel. We will see another system variable. We will create another system variable for this ignition. Okay, go. Same project, project 1, new. Project 1 is same space, and this is IGN I'll give. Okay, so initially it is 0, maximum I'll give 6. Okay, and then values, value table, custom value tables here. Go. 0 means what? Lock. 1, 2. This is 3. So this is a way to create the system variable. 4, based on the రిక్వైర్మెంట్ కి అనుగుణంగా వేరే సిస్టమ్ వేరియబుల్ ఇలా క్రియేట్ చేసుకుంటారు అనమాట. ఓకే, సో క్రియేటెడ్. ఓకే, now earlier it is signal. Now we will change to, we will change right click, we'll get panel, guys. Right click on this, edit, where is the property, close and allow package. ఎక్కడ ఉండిపోయింది, somewhere it is. ఎక్కడ పోయింది అది? My God. move. Where it went, I don't understand. Okay, go properties, system variables, created one, edition. Hmm. So this is panel properties then, right? So check. See here, system variable assigned. Earlier it was signal. Now we need to check whether the ignition signal is there or not in the database. Where is the database? Simulation. Oh here, see here, added one database. Ignition is there. Okay, right, good. Now we'll write the capl code. Tell me now, Chapandi, how to write for the ignition. System variable is there. Tell me guys. Anil Chapu. Others. Chapale.
Sir, first we create variable for the loan, sir.
We created
Ignition.
already. We created
In capl, sir.
in capella. So
Yes, sir. Message ignition.
one second. I'll come. Tell me. On system variable is event. You should tell. You should tell. We should create one event. Event is system variable. On system variable ignition. Okay. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Now tell me. Another way I'll show now. From the B1 message, signal is there. What is the signal? Ignition. Where is that man? One second, guys. Yes. Yes, sorry, guys. So that is in the BCM message 2. Now tell me how to declare. Chepu Ganesh. If you want to send ignition signal with the values, first what to do? Message BCM2 variable of that message. First you have to declare like this. Then B2 dot, if you take the cursor here, automatically it should get IGN, I think. One second. B2 is the message dot, see here, ignition equal to at the rate this. See, you can get the data from the system variable by using at the rate system variable or at the rate this. This means what? This one. Anything is fine. Output B2. Output B2 means what? It means send the signal. Comments. If you want to write comment, send the ignition message and signal. Okay, this is sending. Output means what? Sending to the network. Now we will do this. Run. Listen carefully. This is trace window, panel home, panel configuration. Oh shit. Panel 1. Now see, if I operate this one, seat belt signal is transmitting. If I operate this, see here, ignition signal, it is in the BCM2. Okay. If I select true value, if I select log 0, 1, 2, 3, like this, got it? Got it all. Now
Yes, sir.
I'm going to give you a task now, 5 to 6 minutes time. Okay, you have to create message BCM3, because this is another message example. BCM3 message ID 3, transmitter is BCM. This message is transmitting by BCM. Okay, now create signal, some car mode signal. Suppose car mode is one signal, so it has length normal, factory, transport, crash. So 4 bits. Okay, 4 values, 4 bits. Minimum maximum is 4, 0 to 4. Value tables will create later. Message, we are adding this signal into the message. Okay, DLC, no need to change. We have added. Now you need to send by using the panel. You have to create that and you need to send it. You need to send the signal. Write, write the steps at least. Write the steps at least what to do. I'll ask in a 5 minutes. This is to all guys. Okay, 5 minutes I'll give the time.
Sir, I have no laptop. I've written in my notes. It's okay.
Okay, no problem. You can
First,
write in your
okay.
notes and tell me what to do.
Okay, okay, thank you, sir.
5 to 6 minutes I'll give for your reference. Yeah, even capl browser also opened. Right? Right. Yes. Okay, now guys, can we review? Hello. Hello all.
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Sir.
Hmm. Tell me. So ఎవరు చెప్తారు? Wait. Mahesh, tell me what to do. We have car mode signal. We need to send the car mode signal. Okay. Mahesh.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me. Mahesh, are you in the room or somewhere?
Hello, sir. Hello.
Switch off the fan. Yes, now tell me. Switch off the fan until because we're getting much sound. Okay. Yeah. Tell me what to do. Okay. Tell me, Mahesh.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Yes,
Hello, sir. We
Mahesh.
need to declare the variable first, sir.
We need to
Hello.
create. Yeah, we need to create the system.
We need to declare the variable, sir, first.
System variable creation
The
first.
variable. Yes, sir.
Okay. On new. What is system variable name? I'll give car
Car
mode.
mode, sir.
Okay. Good.
Initial value
Initial value 0.
0, 0.
Maximum score.
Maximum value 4, sir.
Okay. Custom.
Custom, sir.
Next.
Next, okay.
Value tables. Select it. 0 means example. Nothing. Okay.
Need to add value.
Ah,
Edit value table.
example. 0 means nothing. 1 means normal.
Normal.
2. mm,
Normal factory mode, sir. Transport.
Factory.
Factory transport, sir. Crash mode, sir.
Transport. And crash. Okay.
Crash mode, sir.
Okay. Crash. Right. So we have created the system variable. Next what? Wait, Mahesh. Anil Nujapu. Next what? System variable created. Next. Anil. So Anil, Mahesh, you go to mute. Can go. Okay. Anil. Next what? So system variable created. Next. Anil, hello. Ganesh.
Sir, we
Next.
need to create a panel, sir,
Yes.
for
So
car.
for that, edit.
Edit.
Hmm. So we'll get this one. Okay. The toolbox. I don't know. 1 second. Hmm. Somewhere panel toolbox is there. I don't know. What is the toolbox? Okay. See, otherwise, click it. Control C, Control V. Another one will come. If there is no toolbox, this one, right click, properties. Go here. Chepu.
System variable.
Okay.
Select system variable
Okay.
and select project and system variable, whatever
Car,
we created. Car
car.
mode.
Okay. Right. Right. Yes. Continue. Hold on. Next. Ganesh is fine. Sidram. Next, Sanjay Rathod and Sidram. You two. Next, what to do? So panel created, system variable created. Next, because I want to send these values into the network. Tell. Hello. Hello. Sidram. Sanjay Rathod. Tell me what to do next. Hello, Sanjay Rathod. Okay, next we'll take Vijay is there. Rahul, otherwise Rahul. What to do? Rahul. Yeah. Hmm. Next. Capl script, yeah. On system variable. Update or in this to anything. System variable or system variable update. So we'll take update. Right click. Go to the system variable which we have created. Car mode. Right. Created. So this is event. What is the meaning of this one? If you operate this one, that is the meaning of this line. If you operate that one, whatever the value is there inside, so it will store here. Okay, in this system variable. If you operate there in the panel, like for example, if you operate normal, so that value will be stored. So we are fetching now. How to fetch it and how to assign it? Tell me now, please, Ganesh.
Sir, first we create on variable, sir. Message BCM3
Ah, we should
and
create.
variable B3.
Yes, first we should create message. Guys, always I am explaining in the global variables, but you can declare here also. This is called static message. BCM3
BCM3
B3 B3 dot B3 means what? BCM3. Inside the BCM3 you have car mode
car nodes
signal is there.
signal
Hmm.
at the rate
Rate
this.
this very easy. So whatever the values here, we are getting into that and we are assigning into signal. Here till now assigned. We have not sent into the network. Check now. We will see. See here.
Sir, instead of this, we can copy paste above created one, sir.
Yes. See,
Okay,
listen
sir.
carefully. If you have 0 is coming, okay. If you do this one, so you are getting BCM2. But if you operate this one, we are not getting any message. Why? Why, guys? Why? Observe carefully and tell me why.
We need to assign the output, sir.
Uh-huh. Output. Okay.
We need to assign the output, sir.
Output, right. Output of B3. If you did not give output function, it will not transmit into the network. So now we'll run again and we'll check. Car mode 1 normal. Got it now? ఇప్పుడు అర్థమైందా మీకు? Got it? How to send the messages, how to send the signals. Got it now? Simple, by using on system. You can send by using other event also. For example, to write, to test whether your script is working or not, to check that, we will use on key. Okay, we'll take on key. On key Yeah. So if I press A, there is no at the rate, so we'll give 1 directly. Okay, if you run this one, see nothing is transmitting, right? No, wait, so nothing is transmitting. If I press A, see here car mode with the 1. I have not changed anything here, but though I have not changed, I am getting 1. So if you change, then you will get 2 also. Got it? This is on key also another event. If you press A, this function or this procedure will happen, guys. Okay, this is another event. Got it now? So far? So far fine? How to do that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Good. Now another task, guys. What is another task? For example, you want to check the value. So you are sending car mode signals and everything, no? You want to check that where some other ECU. So, or in this ECU, anything in this node, anything, we'll try with the another node. We are checking. So go database, then change. Okay, that is there. We will add now. Still now it is BCM. We'll add another name, IPC. Okay, right. So we will check here. Right now, a second. So inside network node, how to check IPC? How to check? So checking like using again capl script. So here is another event. Can is there, no? On message BCM1. It means if the message comes to the network, BCM message, then we want to check. How to check? Okay, so checking using if cases or switch cases, guys. So here we will use loops. Like see if if case we can. This means what? Message. This means upper one. This if this ID means what? Message ID. If this message ID equal to 0 cross 1, if it is 1, something we will write. This is if condition and statement. Write is one function is there. Write is printing. We'll see. Correct message ID. Okay. If it is 1, else case, else you can do something. Here we are printing, but we can do something also. We will try that also, guys. Message ID is not correct. Now checking actually whether the message ID is 1 or not. Now see here, this is right window. I'll show again. Correct message ID. So in the right window it will print. Okay. Now again we will check another thing. Message ID, for example, BCM message to if id equal to 1, if id equal to 1, write message id is not correct, else correct message id. So here if the message true, message BCM message is coming in, BCM message 2 is coming into the network, we are checking identifier of that message. If it is 1, it's not correct, else correct message id. Okay, okay. 2, right? Correct message id. Now we'll see. So because this is not 0 cross 1, if you observe message id BCM2 is 2, but we are comparing. If it is equal to 1 aithe it's not correct, otherwise it is correct. And if you want to check, for example, you want to print that one, okay, if this dot id, if it is has id, printf, like write message id is, guys, it is a hexa value, no? That's why we should give ampersand x comma id, not id, this dot id. Okay, so this dot id, we'll see now. It will print the id. So to know the things actually. So what is the message id? Message id is 2. Okay, like this. For example, I want to check the signal. Okay, internally we can write if loop, in loop, if, again another one actually. So if take signal, if it has b, so what to check? See guys, message have generally what attributes has? Message has identifier there, message id is there, what another, which can it is channel 1 or not. See, id will be there, in which channel it is transmitting, how much dlc, what is the direction, there is transmission or reception, rtr, I'll try this one, dir. Okay, so likewise you have to try if this, if it has direction, right, this dot dir. Okay, direction also will get it. Let me try. Should come, I don't know, I guess. Otherwise, we'll take our logic to that case. This or that. So loop is not working. Let me try. Okay. Direction is string, right? So actually it is string. That's why it did not print. If any one thing is fine. Any one thing. If it has direction or something. Message ID is 2. Okay. Let me check what we have written. Message ID, no. Message direction is transmission or XTX. TX request. Okay. That character should come. So we have to give character. It should print actually. String. Message dir is ID is 2. ID is 2, I get it. But I think we have to give something. So again, we'll go to help. If required, we'll go to help, guys. Content, data types. So we also go to the data types. Sorry, help. If required something, we will go and search data types. See, these are all the data types. Character, matrix. These are the data types. Right function. So how to declare? Right, in the right. See, this is for decimal values. This is for X is for hexa values. Okay. Hexadecimal uppercase you want, you have to give uppercase. User design unsigned display. Local hexadecimal display the string. So we need to give yes. Okay. This is through help we have to approach, guys. Now we'll see. See here, getting null. I don't know what is this null. There is no string actually. The message ID is null we are getting. Maybe we have written some wrong thing. But anyhow, the code is working. Okay. dir. How to check the dir? I don't know. Okay, right, next. That I have to go through. So if you want to check in a which network, suppose you have different networks are there in a CAN also. CAN channel 1, channel 2, like that. See here. If you take a channel, this is channel 1 now. So we are going to check which channel it is. Really it is in a CAN 1 or like that. Okay, right. Message ID in channel ID. This dot. So where it is transmitting. Message ID in channel 1 or channel 2, where to know that. Wrong type character format. Okay, ID. Ah, okay. So this is channel ID, right? Okay. It's in hexa 0 cross 1 or 2, channel 1 or channel 2, or maybe integer. Just see this message ID in 1, message ID is 2, message ID in channel 1. Getting, guys? Getting? All to verify the message direction, message ID, message which channel it is transmitting. We can check using if case, guys. If this is one thing, we will use this if and switch cases in the diagnostic scripting also. Next, for example, I want to transmit from the BCM. I want to transmit BCM1 signal or anything, seat belt signal for every 1 second. For every 1 second, for example, I'm saying. Okay, so for every 1 second means a timer came into the picture, right? Timer. MS timer is one thing. This is milliseconds timer, but I'll tell. What is our requirement? Ganesh, what is our requirement? Every,
1 second.
every 1 second.
Every
So
1 second.
timer, seconds is timer, MS timer is milliseconds. Okay, T2. Now I want to transmit signal for every 100 so 1 second. Okay, on key B, I'll take B. If I press B, 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 I need to send seatbelt signal 1010 like that every 1 second. Otherwise, first we will check with the only one value. Every 1 second, it should transmit continuously. Okay, that is the requirement. So for that, timer came to the picture every 1 second. So this is timer variable, timer T2 we had declared. Next, set timer. What is the timer? T2 1 second. So here we'll declare time how much. Okay, so timer will start. If you press B, timer will start. Then in that in that 1 second, go here on timer, check on timer. What is the timer? T2. It means in after this 1 second, we want to send seatbelt signal. No, seatbelt signal is in the BCM1 message. So B1 dot signal equal to 1 output. The message name B1. This is okay, but it will send only one time, but I need to send continuously for every 1 millisecond. So again, I will set the timer here so that this timer will again start. So this loop will continuously will work. for every 1 second. Now we'll try. So I'll erase all. So in the trace window, nothing is there. Check. Okay, in the right window also, nothing is there. Check, please. Now I'm going to press B. See here, observe the timing. Every 1 second, every 1 second, signal is going on. Okay. See in the output window also. See, this is going on. But I want to change something. What is change? I want to send 0 also. Like every 1 second 1010 will be transmitted. How to send that? So we will take another timer T3. So here, go here, timer T1 comma T3. You can write like this, or timer T3 you can define like anyway, any either way. Timer T3 also fine, no problem. Now we are setting timer T3. So T3 timer will work. So in the T3 timer, it will set the 0 value and it will send, and again it will send the, and again it will set the timer T2. So it will go here, it will set 1 and it will send into the network. Timer T3 will happen, it will come here, it will set the 0. Like that the loop will continuously will work. We will see that now. We'll run. See, every 1 second I can give better every 5 seconds. Better you can see that 5 seconds means we could see the data. Hmm? So every 5 seconds also we can able to transmit the data. So 10. This is like we are not operating manually. We are automatically, by using a capl, we are sending the values. You can apply it to the others also, like ignition, for example. You have different values. So for every 5 seconds, you should transmit different values. Try that one. So here we are sending 10. You have to try for 1, 0, 2, 3. Every 5 seconds, it should be increased. Got it, guys? All try all. So try. So this way we can write the capl script timer message declaration. So now I'm going to explain MS timer. So MS timer also one of the timer. There is a milliseconds timer. For example, I want to transmit while starting itself. So for example, now we'll take, if you observe, if I start, if I start, nothing is transmitting. No, nothing is there. No messages are there. So on start event is one event is there. So we can use that one on start. So it means what? If you run the button, then you can write something like mm, you can set one signal, one value, car mode. Hmm? can set one value in the car mode. Directly it will transmit. Check. I'll run this one. See here. Observe here. See, directly we are getting car mode is 1. If you give, this is one event, guys. If you start, 5 will transmit into the network. See, observe, 5 is going. So on start, on system variable, on key, on timer, these are the events, these are the tasks. See, for example, on start means what? If you start here, this is going. So this is going because we have written here. మనం అక్కడ కోడ్ రాసాం కాబట్టి on start కొట్టగానే if you start this data, this process is happening. So capl is event based programming language. So if you press based on this, this is executing. Got it or not? Tell me please. All.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Got it? Okay. Okay. So like that, you have so many tasks are there. Based on the situation, we will use the events. See, for example, you want to transmit the data by using a panels, we are using on system variable. For example, you want to send by using a key, means it is like you want to do very fast, so we are using key. So if you want to send immediately some signals like car mode signal is there, we will send another signal also. Check dot ignition value with the 5 or 4 something. Okay, this also will transmit once you started, means ignition and car mode both will transmit once you start this. See here, ignition is 4, car mode is 5. Got it? All.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Mm,
Sir, can you send PDF of capl scripting?
sure, I'll send all, no problem. So we will see. On 1 second, guys. Okay, right. I'll share all the things. So, but so far you have to try these things, because in the interview I'll explain what they'll ask in the interview also. Okay, so far you have to try these things, guys, at least some, to send the signals, to operate it. Okay, I'll explain diagnostics data sending into the network also. So you have only two classes. We'll wind up the classes. Okay. Okay, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. I'll share the PPTs,
Sir,
everything.
sir, we do both manual testing and automation testing, sir.
Both. Generally, people will use mostly it is manual. Using panel also it is manual, guys. Sometimes IG block. Okay. That is on depends on their setup, company setup. Hmm. Got it all?
Automation testing means same as this, sir.
లేదు కొంచెం మార్పు ఉంటుంది, సంథింగ్ is there. That is another one, I'll explain later. Okay.
Sir, functional testing and our system testing both are same.
No, our system testing is yeah, both are same, I think. Yeah, both are same. Component testing is unit testing actually. Yes.
Okay, okay, sir.
Ours is black box testing. Yes. Please be prepared. Today the discussion is there. We'll see. Okay. Okay, guys. Thank you. So we'll see tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Okay. Bye.
Goodbye, sir.
Bye, guys.
Bye, sir.